I'm just gonna take you guys along with me into a little bit of a content day, I guess you can call it. I'm gonna try and take some pictures outside. You know, I just wanted something different for my content, and you know, just try to see how that is gonna go. I have this really cute red suit, and y'all, it is eating. I can't wait for you guys to see the pictures. So make sure you guys are following me on Instagram so you don't miss out on the pictures. I feel like a sausage, if I'm being completely honest, because it's kind of tight around my waist, but it's okay. It's still cute. I'm trying to, you know, slim it down a little bit. But I just finished dropping off my kids off at school, so I'm just gonna do a quick little makeup because it's cold, I am hungry, and I want to post this at a reasonable time, and I have things that need to be done. So yeah, let's just get it together. There's the Huda Beauty Full Filter. Get these bags underneath my eyes together. Okay. Normally I would use a brush, but like I said, I'm just trying to be quick and kind of blend out any blemishes to the best of my ability, because it's the outfit that matters, not necessarily the face. But I just wanted to look like I did something. I hope you guys can hear me. Hubby is sleeping right now, so I don't want to be too loud, and normally he would help me with these things, but he's underneath the weather today. So mama's going dolo. Just using whatever powder I have left on this brush to set it, using my Morphe Richie lip liner. Why am I doing this without glasses? It's beyond me. And then Huda Beauty, the Full Filter gloss in the shade Cocoa, just to kind of line that out. I really love this gloss. Ugh, I need all of the shades. I'm using Thread Beauty Gloss It in their shade Focused for the middle. Might have used a little bit too much, but I think we're good. You see what a little mascara, concealer, brows, and gloss can do? I didn't much put on a full face. And the perks of having short hair, it's not something that you gotta do for real. You know what I mean? It just looks nice and put together. You can tell that I need a cut, but it's not like, oh my god, it's messy. So we're gonna leave it as is for now. Okay, maybe put my stuff away because these are my expensive products. Let's go. Oh, so this is like my face in like better lighting. Not too shabby. Can't breathe. These pants are way too tight. Okay, so normally I would bring like another outfit, but because it's a little bit chilly outside, and like I said, I really want to get just this one photo out, I'll probably do another outfit later when it's a lot warmer, and I'll take you guys along in doing that. I just want to batch a lot of content, get pictures, videos, all of that today. Now hopefully By God's grace, we got enough gas to get to where I'm going to. Honestly, I'm just going to the park, so I should have enough gas, but we'll see. Okay, y'all, so I decided to just take everything out of the car. It just makes it easier. And I'm so glad that the sun is out because it's a little bit warmer. But I'm still cold. I'm not even gonna hold you. And there's like park people that are like around. And this is so awkward. I hope you guys can hear me because it's windy. But I gotta get done, girl. It's the day in the life of a content creator, I'll tell you that much. And like, they're sitting there cutting the grass, y'all. Oh my gosh, I try to find a place where there's not a whole lot of people. That was my whole point of doing this. So I'm like really annoyed because I had brought out my professional camera and I didn't even bring the little clip thingy like to add to it, so I'm gonna have to use my phone. So I'm a little annoyed right now. See, it would have been, oh my god, this is too bright. Hopefully I can fix this, but honestly it would have been fine if I like had like a proper camera, because like I have a Rebel T7 and like it takes great pictures, but like I don't have like a mirror and I can't use a remote with it, and it doesn't autofocus. So this is what I'm gonna have to do. I don't think y'all understand how pissed off I am right now. Unnecessary, like y'all look at me. Okay, I'm pretty sure people are like, who's this crazy girl? What is she doing? So like I said, I'm gonna come back later because like there's so many cute little areas that I could take pictures. Like there's like benches over here and there's benches over there too. So, and there's like a really cute like wall I could take a picture of. Now hopefully hubby feels better and can help me so I don't have to bring this tripod and I could use my professional camera. Oh gosh. But that is just the behind the scenes. I'm gonna close out this little mini vlog just in case I don't come back and take pictures. So make sure you guys follow me on Instagram, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Okay, bye. I'm all done taking pictures and things like that. As y'all saw, you know, I'm just kind of getting myself together, cleaning up the house a little bit. I'm just gonna eat my breakfast, get some editing done, try and be productive for the rest of the day. Y'all, I'm exhausted, but you know, these goals won't complete themselves. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Love y'all.